This meatless summer pasta makes room for what really matters. According to my next guest, vibrant seasonal produce at its peak. It's fresh, it's colorful, and it offers a true taste of summer. Lisa Danielson is making us all hungry. She's here to share this recipe. I mean, we talk about eating with our eyes. Wow, that's beautiful.
Yeah. I mean, eat the rainbow, isn't that what they say?
And we're gonna do that today.
Yeah.
How would you describe this salad? What makes it a winner?
Well, I love that, first of all, it's easy. You can totally make it ahead of time and use what you have. Do not go to the store and buy anything special.
All right, and we think of a summer dish as light and easy, and this is pasta, but it still meets that description.
Totally, and you can really choose what you want in it, but I like to just get, these veggies work actually really well when you grill them. So I've got some asparagus, bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion. So those are all gonna be veggies that hold up really well on the grill. I just use this very simple indoor grill. You can also, wait for it, use your air fryer.
You know what? You're gonna be so proud of me. I succumbed to the viral, sweet potato cottage cheese bowl?
Yes.
And suddenly making those sweet potatoes in my air fryer, I caught the vision. I caught the vision, and now I am air frying everything.
You can totally air fry them, which takes like 5 seconds. It's so easy.
For grill treatment, since we wanna honor the summer season in all its glory, how would you prep these for the grill?
I'm very simple. Olive oil, salt, pepper, that's it.
Okay.
Because remember, when you put it in the pasta, you're gonna make a dressing and flavor it even more.
So we don't need to worry too much.
And in the air fryer, you can just maybe even just toss them in a little bit of oil and pop them in.
And let it go.
Yeah.
All right, those are the veggies, and they look beautiful, all prepped and ready to go in our salad. Let's talk about the pasta. What variety do you recommend?
So I have right here a whole grain pasta. Now, basically, you have a couple decisions when you go to the grocery store. You've got your regular white pasta, which is what most people buy. It's not necessarily a bad choice, but what we're looking at is not a lot of fiber. Okay, so fiber is an important nutrient that we need that helps with digestion. It can help with our blood sugar. There's a lot of different reasons why you would want to eat a diet high in fiber. So then a lot of people choose the whole grain. This is a whole grain. It doesn't taste that much different. I like to cook my pasta when I make a cold pasta salad almost al dente. You don't want it super soft.
The texture on this is a little different, this
pasta.
It's
a little, it has a little bit of a bite to it. But a third option that not a lot of people realize is like a protein chickpea pasta, which this is a great choice. It's actually gluten-free because it's made with chickpeas, and it's gonna be a little bit higher in protein.
And how's the taste and texture for that?
It's pretty similar to whole wheat pasta.
To the whole wheat, okay.
Yeah.
So we've prepped that, we've chilled it?
Chilled it, put a little oil on it so it doesn't stick together, because that's annoying, right? And then we're just gonna toss in our veggies. I like to kind of prep them before I grill them, so then there's not a whole lot of cutting that needs to happen when you're done, because they're gonna be hot, right, when you're finished. So really, mushrooms would be great in here as well. Kind of whatever you've got growing in your garden this summer, just throw it in.
I love how your body and your palate starts to crave what is growing and what is fresh right now, too.
This is really the best season that we have here in Utah, obviously for produce and garden things that we can just kind of use up. So put in what you want, and then we're gonna make a little dressing. So with the dressing, I like to use equal parts olive oil, rice wine, or red wine vinegar, and Dijon mustard. It's always gonna come out really great.
It's a winner.
Yeah, total winner.
So no matter how much you need, quantity can be adjusted, but equal part.
Yes, exactly. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, I just have like an Italian seasoning blend. I like to keep things really easy.
Listen, no, I was just gonna praise and compliment you, if I may, because we just breeze through this little dressing formula that you just gave us that I will now remember forever. And you can have at your fingertips a very delicious homemade, fresh dressing.
Another option that would be really fun with this is a little bit of honey too, if you want it a little bit sweeter. So Italian seasoning and then a little bit of lemon juice, that's all you need. And then you're just gonna pour it, mix it really good.
This would be a dress before you serve, sort of a dressing?
And even if you have it in there for a couple hours, it'll kind of marinate the veggies a little bit. Be kind of nice.
Won't get too soggy. This is a winner.
The best part is you can kind of get creative with the toppings. Avocado, Yes.
Yum.
That would be a good choice. Also, I have some cherry tomatoes, which you for sure will have in your garden, and feta cheese, but you could use a Parmesan. You could even use like a smoky Gouda, you know, really whatever you want to kind of top it off, whatever your family likes.
My mouth is watering.
And
this
that's
looks
it.
amazing. We are on an avocado kick at my house this
it's
week,
the
and
best.
baby Sydney got to try avocados for the first time. And my 6-year-old assessment, she liked them okay. My 6-year-old's assessment was, okay, so she eats mom food, not kid food.
Oh, right.
And I'm like, right, no avocado, no dino nuggets, but yes on the avocados.
Yeah, mom food. Avocados, mom food.
This looks beautiful. Thank you so much. You share recipes just like this all of the time. How can we follow along?
Just Instagram Veggie Lisa.
Veggie Lisa, give her a follow.